Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. This boat, hull color is going to be black and powered by a Mercury Verado 200 horsepower black engine as well. Going to have the stainless steel ski tow bar for your water toy activities. As we enter the boat, you've got your battery switch, dual battery switch inside there. Plenty of storage in the back transom locker with dual tables. Coming in, you've got your L-shaped seating in the cockpit and seating on the port side. This is going to have the dual helm chair layout with flip-up bolsters, digital throttle and shift, Simrad GPS built into the dash with a Fusion stereo. Here on the port side, you're going to have a enclosed head compartment, and forward you're going to have plenty of seating with wraparound bolsters and stainless steel grab handles. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.